Hey, how's it going? And today I'm going to show you how to create a hypnotizing or mesmerizing effect. What we're going to do is go into model, we'll go to geometry, we're going to go to ground plane, we're going to go OK. And then we're going to take advantage of something in Pro Tools, which is pretty cool. And we're going to go Control Space, Camera, and go Item to Camera Position, like that. And then we're going to actually kind of reposition ourselves like this, and then just push in a little bit like that. And then what we're going to do is just on the rotation, we're just going to do -90. And then all we have to do is just punch in, and we should be squarely lined up, pretty squarely lined up like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the backdrop, turn off the backdrop, go to lights, properties, change it from distant to ambient, close that. Then we're going to go into the surface editor, we're going to go to the clip map, we'll go to procedurals, then we'll go to ripples, and we're going to set the wave source to 0. We're going to set the texture value to 100. We're going to minimize that, close this, and then go into VPR. And then we get this super cool mesmerizing thing. And let me go ahead and match my camera perspective here. And then I'm just going to pull out a little ways more so I get more of this circle thing, like that. Then I'm going to switch to camera view to make sure I'm getting what I want to see. And all you have to do is, you want this to go on for little ways, we'll just set it to 300 frames, and it's already animated, and you hit play, you've got it going on like that. And that's all there is to it. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.